Do you have 60 seconds? Do you have a cell phone, a tablet, or a computer? Do you have access to internet? If the answer is yes, well, you can start earning money online. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you a super simple way that it works worldwide. It doesn't matter where you are, but you need to have a computer, a cell phone, a laptop, internet connection. If you have it, you are actually good to go. Okay, don't miss any part of this quick tutorial because I want to make sure that you are going to be earning the most amount of money. And by the way, guys, at the end of the video, I'm going to give you a bonus, which is going to be another way in which you can actually make money online, but that's going to be at the end of the video. Okay, first of all, go to paypal.com. Okay, go to paypal.com and you're going to be opening a free account. Okay, you're going to be opening a free account with paypal.com. Just in case that you have some, troubles using PayPal in your country, maybe you cannot withdraw the money for whatever reason. Okay, there is a cool website that I like to use, which is called RTM. I'm gonna leave a link below. You can open an RTM account, and you can let them know, like, okay, I have this money on PayPal and I cannot withdraw it. Can you send it to me cash? Can you deposit into my local bank account? Can you please send me it? I need crypto. Okay, so you can do it with RTM. Okay, I'm gonna leave a link below. Okay, let me show you what you can do. First of all, we're gonna be turning time into money. Okay, you're gonna be turning time into money. You're gonna be working whenever you want, whatever you want. Feel comfortable, cool and at home. There is no country restriction. These are instant payment. And again, you can use your mobile and your desktop. Okay. What you can do? Well, you're going to have unlimited tasks. So whenever you feel like, yeah, I'm going to be doing this, I'm going to be printing money, you're going to have tasks. You can invite people. Okay. You can invite people to be part of it. And these are instant payment 24/7. Okay, the website that we are going to be, talking about today, it's called Paydara. Okay, you're going to go to paydara.com and you can create an account here where it says create an account. Okay, creating an account, it's really easy, really simple. You just need to put your first name, your last name, a username, a valid email address, and a password. Please make sure that you're going to be using a valid email address because they're going to be sending you guys an email just to make sure that this is a valid email address, and whenever they do have a task available, they're going to be sending it to you. Okay? So this is paydara.com. Once you create your account, you can land on this page. This is my dashboard. This is my actual my account. Okay, what you can do with Paydara? Well, first of all, you can refer people. Okay, you can refer people. Okay, they are going to be paying you 10 cents per valid referral. Okay, and you can get paid up to $3 for every 1,000 clicks. Okay, this is the link that you're going to be sharing. Okay, so you can be putting this on forum, maybe using Quora, putting this on social media, on all the social networks, and you're going to be earning money for that. Okay, you can also be, checking on videos, watching tutorials, submitting videos. You can do micro tasks. You can use tasks. Okay, you can do surveys. Okay, so there are several ways in which you can actually make money. Okay, let me show you some of the tasks so you can see that these are not, complicated at all. So I'm going to click here where it says Offer Toro. Okay, here on Offer Toro, okay, let me show you everything. Okay, these are different tasks that you have. If you have, for example, right now your mobile device, you're going to click here where it says Mobile. Okay, if you have an Android, you can download this game, and if you reach the level 12 within 10 11 days, you're gonna be earning money. If you have iOS, they do have the same apps. Sometimes you just need to watch like 5 seconds or keep using it for a certain amount of time, or just open it like this one, HBO. You're gonna be opening and you're gonna be using the app, and that's it. IQ option, the same with the VPN. Some of these tests, are super simple, and you can do them, or you can use, well, whenever you feel like it. Okay, you can store, for example, let's say, okay, I'm gonna go with Android. So now I have everything that is related to Android. If you have an iPhone, okay, the same. If you have an iPad, okay, maybe you don't want to use your mobile device. Maybe you feel comfortable, using your computer. Okay, so here we have the same, everything that you can do using your computer. If you want to take surveys, these are the surveys that are actually available. So these are really simple tasks that everybody can do. Okay, remember, you can refer someone, okay, or you can do the task. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. That's gonna be helping me. It's gonna be helping my video. It's gonna be helping my channel. Also, let me know what kind of things do you like to do, okay? So I can do tutorials with the tasks that you'd like to do, and ways in which you can actually monetize them, in ways you can actually make money online. Maybe you're like, okay, Diana, I really like or enjoy watching videos. Can you do, videos related of how to make money watching videos? Or maybe you are like, no, I'm a survey person. I want to, learn more ways or more websites in which I can earn money, by doing surveys. Or maybe you love to play games on your cell phone. Okay, so let me know in the comment area, because I want to make sure that I'm going to be creating content that is going to be helpful for you, and it's going to be content that you guys are going to enjoy. Okay, once you are ready to withdraw the money, this is going to be working 24/7. You are going to be clicking here where it says payments, payment request, and you're going to land on this page. You need to make sure that you're going to be reaching the minimum threshold and you can withdraw the money. Okay, you guys can withdraw the money. Just in case that you're like, okay, I cannot see this, where is it? Okay, you need to scroll down, and here is it. Another way is that you can collapse this, and you are gonna have here the payment, the payment options. There also proof people who are earning money with this on a daily basis. Remember that this website is actually worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you guys are, you can actually use it. Okay, so here we have some people, leaving testimonials even on videos because they are really enjoying Paydera. Okay, guys, remember at the beginning of the video I told you I have a bonus, okay, which is another way in which you can make money online. So if you're ready for the bonus, keep watching. If you guys want to know what's my #1 recommendation to make money online, maybe you are like, okay, I really want to fire my boss. Okay, if you are ready to do that, I'm gonna leave a link below. That's gonna be in the very first link in the description. Okay, if you want to take control of your life, check the very first link in the description, and I'm gonna leave it in the comment as well. Also, guys, remember that if you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area. Let me know what you guys enjoy doing, because I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna be creating content that is gonna be helpful for you. This is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I see you on the next video.